Guys, we got some grilled peaches on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, hit that red button down there, the little bell next to it, so you get the alerts on all what we're doing here. And what we're doing here today is some grilled peaches on my Ninja Foodi indoor grill. So we got our Ninja Foodi Grill already heated up, preheated at 500 degrees to get that grill grate screaming hot. You cut up these peaches, pull the pit out, and spray them down with some canola oil, and then put them on the grill grate. While this is happening, I'm gonna show you how to make a wonderful buttery, brown sugary caramel sauce. Real easy to do. Stick of butter, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and a little bit of this magic sweetie blend, seasoning blend that I got from New Orleans. So I'll put a link down below for it so you can check it out. It really does make the caramel pop. All right, it's good. Little, not just sweet, but there's a little bit of spices in there too. So it's real good to go. We'll get you over here. We'll get these peaches ready to go. We'll get them grilled up, and we'll be ready to have a decent dessert. All right. Okay, guys, we got this preheated at 500 already. We're gonna spray down our peaches with this canola oil. You want to use some high heat, high smoke point oil. All right. Get these. Get your tongs that came with your Ninja Foodi Grill. You're gonna hear the sizzle. Okay, get this closed up. We're gonna let it grill off for 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna check it about halfway through to make sure nothing's burning up too bad. And we're just getting the right amount of caramelization. Okay, we're halfway through. Let's take a look at these peaches. Get a nice cook through, got a nice sear. All right, look at that. All right. Let's check out this one. Got the nice sear marks, very cool. All looking pretty good. I'm gonna turn them a little bit so we can get kind of little cross marks. Okay. All right, let's finish them up. I think these are about done. Gonna get these plated up real nice. And then we'll try these bad boys. So we went 8 minutes and not 10. I didn't want to overcook these or blister them. Okay, let's get our caramel drizzle on there. That. I'm gonna use this whisk. Doesn't have to be pretty. It's gonna taste damn good though. All right, let's get it lined up for the thumbnail, and we'll come back for the taste test. All right, guys, we're back. Got this plated up, made it look good for the thumbnail. Probably one of the reasons you clicked on this bad boy. So now we get to try it. So we got some nice whipped cream here. Dress it up a little bit mint. Got this buttery caramel in there. Let's get a little whipped cream on here. What do you say? It's a little hot. I'm not gonna burn my mouth off. Oh, it's so good. Oh man, that caramel sauce on there. One more bite. One more. Oh, making a mess. One more bite. Man, that's good. That was a little whipped cream. Bigger mess. All right, guys, this is a wonderful, easy, totally easy dessert. Got to give this a shot. Wonderful, easy dessert. You know it's healthy because it's fruit. Don't worry about the caramel and the whipped cream and all that stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up on this. Listen, if you'd like to buy this, Ninja Foodi Grill. There'll be a link in the description down below, and I'll pin it in the comments. Give this one a shot for sure. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. I see it, guys. Look for many more Foodi Grill recipes on the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.